In this video, I'm going to take you through Polkadot and how to buy, store, and earn rewards with the DOT token. Polkadot is a next-generation blockchain protocol that was created in 2016 by the co-founder of Ethereum, Gavin Wood, who left Ethereum to deliver on the promises that, in his opinion, Ethereum could not. The technology is run by the Web3 Foundation and developed by Parity Technologies, where Gavin Wood is also a co-founder. And given that Polkadot was founded by the same person as Ethereum, there are some similarities in terms of its design and operation as Ethereum's update Ethereum 2.0. However, Polkadot's goal is to become the new internet of blockchains that will seamlessly communicate with each other. Currently, there's no way of each different blockchain to communicate with each other. So for example, you couldn't have a smart contract on Ethereum that could trigger a payment on the Bitcoin network. But Polkadot is working to resolve this by providing cross-chain interoperability so that blockchains, oracles, and decentralized apps will all be able to talk to each other. And by bringing all the different blockchains under one roof, they hope to provide the best platform for any project that you can think of. And they do this using relay chains, parachains, and bridges. Relay chains are responsible for the network's shared security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability. Parachains allow multiple chains to run simultaneously, and they have their own tokens and optimize their functionality for specific use cases. Parathreads work in the same way but in a pay-as-you-go model. And bridges then allow the parachains and parathreads to connect and communicate with external networks like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Polkadot uses something called the Grandpa consensus, which is used for a more secure and resilient network. In good network conditions, Grandpa can finalize blocks in seconds. And in bad network conditions, such as a network partition, Grandpa can finalize large quantities of blocks at once the partitions resolve. And there's hundreds of projects already building on Polkadot. Some examples include cloud platforms, a browser extension wallet, and different types of block explorers. A few more benefits of Polkadot is the fact that you can build your own custom blockchain in minutes and get security from day one. Polkadot can upgrade without any hard forks for new features or fixing bugs. Plus, the transaction fees are very low and the scalability is high. And as with all blockchain ecosystems, Polkadot also had their own token, DOT. The DOT token allows its holders to have governance rights on the platform, to vote on network fees, upgrades, and the deployment or removal of parachains. You're also able to use these tokens for staking or bonding, which I'm going to come to a little later. So where can you buy your Polkadot DOT tokens? Well, you can check out a full list of available exchanges on the likes of CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. And these include exchanges such as Kraken, where you can trade using fiat currencies such as US dollars, euros, or GBP. There's Binance for more extensive trading pairs and lower trading fees. Or Crypto.com, who've also run a few Polkadot events in the past. And I have tutorials and sign-up offers for these platforms if you're interested in finding out more. Please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Then once you've purchased or traded for your DOT tokens, it's important to store these in a supported wallet. Keeping your tokens on an exchange is not recommended, as it's a far more likely target for hackers. Plus, you don't have control over your assets without access to your private keys. So where can you store your DOT? Well, first, there's Parity Signer. Parity Technologies, the developers of Polkadot, have developed Parity Signer, which essentially turns your smartphone into a hardware wallet, and the app is available for App Store or Google Play. And it turns an old smartphone into a hardware wallet for Polkadot, Kusama, and Ethereum, with all data being transferred over the air via QR codes. All you need to do is take an old smartphone, restore it to its factory settings, then turn off all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by going into airplane mode once and for all. And you can generate and store multiple private keys, scan, verify, and sign your transactions with Parity Signer. Then scan the QR code provided by Parity Signer to release your transaction to the blockchain and to send your funds. Next, there's the Polka Wallet. Polka Wallet was the first cross-chain mobile wallet for the Polkadot ecosystem. With this multi-wallet, you're able to view your asset information, send and receive your assets, stake, and participate in the governance of the protocol. And if you're looking for a free desktop wallet, you can also use the likes of Exodus or the Atomic Wallet to manage your DOT, as well as up to 300 other coins and tokens. Using a hardware wallet such as a Ledger is one of the most secure ways to store your DOT tokens. With Ledger, you can manage your DOT tokens directly within Ledger Live, meaning that your DOT are stored safely offline and away from any potential harm. Plus, you can also earn DOT rewards through bonding with Ledger Live. So let's talk about staking next and earning those rewards. Staking allows you to earn interest from your DOT tokens, where essentially a user holds funds in a crypto wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network, and in return, holders are rewarded for their contribution. Polkadot uses a nominated proof-of-stake protocol to secure its network, and DOT holders who want to stake their assets can do this as a validator, which will require running a node 24/7, or they can do this by nominating a validator and becoming a nominator. As I mentioned earlier, you can stake your DOT tokens on the Polka wallet via the Binance or Kraken Exchange and also via your Ledger. So let's jump into the walkthrough now. Staking rewards with Kraken is incredibly easy and can be done with just a few steps. But I'll show you how to do that now so that you can start earning rewards with your crypto. And to get started, you'll need to have a Kraken account. I've got a link in the summary below that you can use. Then just head across to the Staking tab at the top of the screen. Then to start staking, simply click onto Stake. And your balance will pull through from your spot wallet balance. Then you'll want to choose the amount that you'd like to stake. And there's a minimum amount of 0.2 DOT required for Polkadot. And you can manually enter in the amount that you'd like to stake, or choose as a percentage of your balance. As it states here, your balance will move from your spot account to your staking account, and you won't be able to trade with these tokens while they're being staked. And your rewards will be paid twice a week, and with Polkadot that's on a Tuesday and a Friday, with rewards here of 12%. The type is on-chain, and you can choose to turn Grow Rewards on or off. When you turn them on, it means that the rewards that you earn from staking will be added to your staking. Then when you're happy, you can go ahead and stake and confirm. Next up, let's take a look at staking through Ledger. So if you go to your account and Polkadot, you'll see this screen. And in the top right, you'll see Earn Rewards, Send, and Receive. I'm going to go ahead and click Earn Rewards. And it'll come up with some important information here, stating that you'll earn rewards by bonding your assets and then nominating your validators. You'll see ownership of bonded assets. You'll nominate using your Ledger device. And a really important notice here is that assets will only be available again after 28 days after unbonding. At the bottom, there's a link to how nomination works. And Ledger do give you an overview of how Polkadot bonding works here. Plus it states that it's recommended by the Polkadot team to stake 200 DOT, and this is approximate and still can vary. So I'll head back and go ahead and continue. And this is where you'll bond your tokens. And remember that you'll also need some DOT to pay for the fees. As I mentioned in the notes from Ledger, it says they recommend staking 200 DOT, and I only have 27. So I'd need around $8,000 to tie up, and I don't want to do that at the moment. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and bond 1 DOT so that I can show you the process. Once that's all gone through, you'll need to nominate the validators. And there's plenty to choose from here. I'm going to pick 2 random ones, but you can nominate up to 16. However, you should carefully select your validators, as the rewards that you'll receive will depend on them. If they don't behave properly, they will get slashed and you will lose DOT as well. Only a certain number of validators at a time can participate in the consensus and be nominated. This process is called election and happens every era, which is about 24 hours on Polkadot. So once you've nominated your validator by clicking onto the tick boxes, and you'll be charged a network fee in here, and just need to authorize that on your ledger. And I've now successfully nominated my validators and can view the details. So that completes how you can buy, store, and stake the Polkadot DOT token. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.